Hi guys, I hope you're staying healthy and hearty because the COVID-19 situation hasn't improved that much yet and it is still a bit unsafe to work out in a closed space like gym. I see a lot of people preferring outdoor activities, mainly running. So I thought I will give you a perfect warm-up routine for running. I know what you're thinking. You have all these questions like, why do I have to warm up before running? Isn't running itself a warm up? Don't we like run on a treadmill before and after our every gym workout? If you have all these questions, first of all, I apologize to you on behalf of my fraternity who made you believe that running 5 minutes on treadmill and pre and post workout is how the warm up and cool down is done. Guys, listen to me carefully. You should never ever start running without a specific and a comprehensive warm up routine unless maybe the dog is chasing you. But even in that case, I don't think running is a good option. Okay, let's not digress. Let me show you the 10-minute warm up routine and then I will come back and talk about the precautions that you need to take while running.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. FK ankle rotation.
Let's begin our warm-up by mobilizing all the major joints. Starting at the ankle, do 8 clockwise and 8 anti-clockwise rotations.
Three, two, 1. FK ankle rotation.
Repeat the same exercise on the other side. If standing on one leg is difficult, you can take support from the door, wall or a chair.
Three, two, 1. FK knee rotation.
Moving to knee rotations, one clockwise and one anti-clockwise. Make sure you do the rotations slowly and with control.
Three, two, 1. FK can opener.
Can opener, as although you don't see it, your trunk rotates as you run and needs to be trained to rotate correctly. Remember, you need to keep your core engaged throughout.
3, 2, 1. FK neck rotation.
If you think your head isn't participating in running, think again. Think about the last time you suddenly stopped during the run. Remember how your head jolted? Reverse the direction.
Three, two, 1. FK leg swing forward and backward.
Stand with the pelvis in neutral position and core engaged. Keeping your core tight, swing the leg back and forth. You should feel your glutes every time you swing your leg backward.
Three, two, 1. FK leg swing forward and backward.
Repeat on the other leg. If you are new to this channel and wondering what neutral pelvis and core engagement means, check out the very first video. The link is in the description.
3, 2, 1. FK, leg swing lateral.
Swing the leg out to the side and then let it passively come down across the body. Remember, 30 to 35 degree out is all you need. If you are raising your leg higher, you are doing it without proper core engagement. In that case, tighten the core and lift the leg using only glutes.
Three, 2, 1. FK, leg swing lateral.
Do it on the other side. Remember to keep the lower back stable. No cheating. If you are doing this exercise correctly, your glutes will be burning by now.
Three, 2, 1. FK, standing dirty dog.
Stand in a good posture. Fold and lift one leg up and out. It's a funny looking exercise, but a very effective one for activating the glutes.
Three, 2, 1. FK, standing dirty dog.
Repeat on the other side. Think about the dog peeing on the pole. That is exactly how your legs should move.
Three, 2, 1. FK, single leg calf raise.
Stand on one leg. Raise your heel as high as possible. Relax and repeat. You can also do this exercise on a step to make it more challenging.
Three, 2, 1. FK, single leg calf raise.
Other side. Calves are very important for propelling us during running. We are working on left and right side independently so that we develop equal strength on both sides.
Three, 2, 1. FK, half squat.
Sit back on an imaginary chair. Try to sit as slowly as possible, working on the eccentric strength, and then come up fast by squeezing your glutes. Breathe in as you go down, breathe out through your mouth as you push and come up. Keep your abs tight throughout.
Three, 2, 1. High knee run.
Start marching and then increase the speed. You want to raise your leg forward so that your thighs become parallel to the ground at the top. Feel your heart rate increasing.
Three, two, one. Butt kick.
Try to fold your leg and kick your butt with the heel. You will feel your hamstrings when you fold your leg. You can increase the speed and let your heart rate increase even more.
Three, two, one. FK, arm swing.
Tighten your core and start swinging your arms. Keep the elbows as close to your body as possible. Mastering arm swing will help you run much faster with minimum effort.
3 precautions. First, when you're going out on a run, do not wear mask. It can suffocate you and in the worst case can be fatal. Instead, go for a face shield. Second, don't overdo it. When you're running, at least double your body weight falls on your landing foot in a very brief period of time. How brief? Less than a quarter of a second. So know that running is a very high impact activity, and if overdone can result in a lot of damage and injuries. A good balance would be 2 to 3 days of running, and on other days work on the core strength, work on the stability, work on the left right balance, work on the mobility, work on the strength of all the essential muscles. There are videos on this channel. I will put the links in the description box. Do check out and immediately start doing those. Third precaution, cooling down is equally important. Making a video on that next week. Subscribe to the channel so that you get notified. Also, you can like this video and share it with all your friends who are currently running or who are planning to run. I will see you all next time. Bye bye.